Hello everyone. Today we will be seeing how a voltage follower works. A voltage follower, also known as a unity gain amplifier, is a circuit that uses an operational amplifier, 741 IC, to produce an output voltage that closely mirrors the input voltage. The circuit is simple: an op-amp, a feedback loop, and a function generator. The key here is that the output voltage mimics the input voltage. So in the circuit, connect the pin 7 to positive terminal of VCC, which is equal to 15 volts. Connect the pin 4 to negative terminal of VCC. Connect pin 6 to input pin 2 as feedback loop. Connect pin 3 to function generator. Here I'm keeping amplitude as 5 volts with 1 kHz frequency. So as you can see, the blue color wave is the input waveform. The green color is the output waveform, which mimics the input voltage. For more such videos, do subscribe the channel.